done having breakfast, lunch, and I'm going to try and catch this bus that is by Bangla Road and try and take the bus around the island. I was also planning on having a beach day, but here it is raining. Maybe on the other parts of the island it's not raining. The bus supposedly comes every 30 minutes. Honestly, not even sure the time right now. One sec. Alright, right now is 1:42. So I'm gonna walk down that way and see if I can get on the bus and go for a ride around town. Come with me on today's adventure. I was not expecting the rain. It started raining while I was... I wasn't expecting the rain. It started raining while I was eating my food. I didn't have a poncho. I didn't have an umbrella. So I was going to stop at a 7-Eleven, but the two that were nearby were both closed permanently. But I found this stand. This woman was selling some items and she had this lovely poncho for 60 baht. It's perfect because now I'll use it and I'll have a poncho. There's still people swimming in the water, not letting the rain stop them. Let's check it out though. It is a blue bus that takes you, it's a blue bus that has different stops around the island to different beaches, to Karom Beach, to Hawaii Beach, beaches in the north and the south on the other side of the island. Get on it today. This is Patong Beach, Phuket. Normally all these beach chairs would be full, but today there's only a few people out on the beach. Phuket Town. Everyone got shooed off the bus, so alright, let's check it out. That ride from Patong to Old Phuket Town was 40 baht. It was about a half-hour ride, and the buses going all the way, I think it's 5 or 6, and I was dropped off here, and it will pick up just a bit down the street. So I'll definitely get that bus home. So the poncho I got earlier was 60 baht, $1.71, and that bus ride was 40 baht, which is about $1.14. Great prices. Thailand is one of those places where if you have money, it can go very far, it can stretch very far. The prices here are very fair, very affordable, very reasonable. I got a full body massage for 300 baht. Let me do the conversion real quick. Which is roughly $8.53. $1 is approximately 35 baht. Every day the currency is changing, but relatively this is what it is. Now I'm going to take you to an area of the town that has brightly painted historic buildings. There's street art, cafes, and souvenir shops. This town has many things to offer: museums, temples, there's a Chinese shrine, different historical sites, markets, food, cafes, restaurants, anything, you name it. Old Phuket Town is a place with a mixture of modern art along with traditional architecture of the previous ages that has been preserved. There are a lot of Sino-Portuguese, also known as Chinese Baroque style shop houses on each sides of the streets. If you're looking for an Instagrammable spot, this is it. Alright, so that was the Book Road. They have a lot of Instagram over these spots on that road. Lots of brightly painted buildings. And just at the end of it is a temple. This temple is Wat's Montong Limits. And I'm actually going to take you to this other spot with brightly painted buildings. I can see it from here. Just across the street from the bright blue building, there is a Phuket local food center right here, and you could come here for some local cuisine. CBD or THC? I'm gonna find out. Great news, they had CBD and THC products, and you could buy them by the gram depending on, you know, how premium you wanted it. It ran from 600 up to 800 for a gram of weed. I bought some already, so I don't need any at the moment, but this is very good to know because it's a half-hour ride, and where I got it in Phuket was a bit pricey. And that is definitely a lot better prices, so I'll definitely be back. And they have many different products in there besides just flour. They had some shower gels, some lotions. I tried some lotion. It smells really good. I didn't look to see how much CBD was in it, but I put on my hands and my arms. I know that they're gonna be feeling nice very soon. I know I won't be here at nighttime, but I know that this place just comes to life at night with the different street lights and the restaurants. More people will probably come out after work and hang out, meet with their friends, catch up. Alright, well, I've reached the end of Thanon Talang, notable street in Old Phuket Town. I definitely recommend you come and check it out. Thank you for joining me on my adventure today. I wasn't really sure where I was going to end up or where the bus is going to take me, but happy it dropped me off here. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure.